Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Mechanism of action of opium. Opium exerts its action because of its similarity to naturally occurring compounds of our body called as endorphins. Opium inhibits all the centers except oculomotor, sweating, and vomiting. Except this, it inhibits all the centers of our body. Fatal dose of opium is 2 grams, whereas morphine is given in zero point 0.2 grams. Fatal period of opium is around 6 to 12 hours. Clinical features.
thank you and thank you for watching.